So a congratulations is in order because if you're watching this video, you are one of two people. Either you've just become a new client with us and have gotten your account set up and are needing to activate AccountView, or we have finally convinced you to activate your AccountView and you've been a client with us for a while. But either way, congratulations. So we're going to go through in this video and just show you what that setup process looks like. It's a pretty simple process, but just want to have this as a resource for you. So you should have received an email that looks just like this. It says My Account View Online, Account View Activation. So you're gonna go ahead and click on that. You're then going to see this blue box that says Activate Account View, and then you're gonna click on that. So once you do that, you're gonna be at the registration page. It's gonna ask for the last four of your social security. Since we've already gotten all your information, that is in our system. So you're gonna type that in and you're going to then enter an email that you wanna use. Typically, you just use the one that we have on file as well, and then confirm. You then need to set up a password. There are a decent amount of criteria, so read through there, make sure that you hit all those so that it is valid, and then you're going to save. Please also write down your password. And then once you click save, you should get a drop down that allows you to save your password actually on your system. Please do that. It makes it way easier and quicker for you to log in. You'll then put in that username, which is just the email address that we had talked about earlier. And then the first time you log in, you'll have this two-factor authentication. So it can be text, phone call, or email. We typically lean towards text messages, but you can choose any. It'll probably take you a quick second to get the number, but you're going to then type that in. Please also make sure that you click the Remember This Device box. That'll make it so you don't get the two-factor authentication every time. You'll just be able to put in the username and the password, and then you'll go ahead and verify. So once that is verified, you'll get this online services terms and conditions. Please read through that and accept. And there you have it. You are now in the system of AccountView and can kind of go through and peruse, see your accounts there, see the investments, see returns, get tax documents, etc. So if you have any questions or having any issues getting your activation done, please just give our office a call, shoot us a text, and Emily should be able to help you out. Thank you.